Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add an EBT card to the Sam's Club app. First, open the Sam's Club app and add the groceries you want to your cart. On the checkout screen, go to Payment Method and tap Add an EBT card. Now, enter your first and last name and your EBT card number. Then tap Save. Your EBT card will now appear as a payment option. Before you pay, make sure the EBT option is checked. Then swipe Slide to pay. You'll be asked to enter your EBT PIN, type it in, confirm, and complete the payment. And that's it. You've successfully added and used your ABT card on the Sam's Club app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.